What is going on, guys? My name is Mr.G, and today we're going to hide the WordPress login to your website. Okay, and if you're new here, consider yourself subscribing because I'm doing lots of tutorials every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hide your WordPress login. Okay, so let's go ahead and log into your website. The default login is wplogin.php. So let's go there and log in. And we're going to change this to another URL, okay? So if somebody will going to wp-login.php, it will going to redirect into a no found page, okay? A 404 page. So let's go ahead and find a plugin. We're going to use ithemes security. If you know that already, then this is this tutorial is not for you because you know that already. Okay, so let's go ahead and ithemes here, check that plugin. It's really awesome. Let's go ahead and activate that if you already installed it. I already installed the plugin, so let's go ahead and go to security right here, go to settings. And you don't need to secure your site now. If you want, you can secure your site now. And let's just go to hide backend. Okay, let's go ahead and configure that. Configure settings. Okay, so I already put no access right here. So this is the one wherein you will going to change the login access to your site. So this is the URL. You need to copy that. You can change this to maybe nothing. Oh my god. Let's go ahead. Invincible. See? So let's go ahead. It will going to redirect you to a forbidden error right here. Not found. You can also customize this. And let's just go ahead and save the settings. So it is saved successfully and we got our own login URL. So let's go to incognito to check. Let's go to our site, Mr.G tutorials. Okay. And let's go to let's say WP login or admin or login. Okay, so our site loaded and let's go to WP login, and there we go. It says no found right here. Okay, so let's try WP login again just to check 2 times, and there we go, no found. And let's go ahead and paste our URL, which is invincible right there, and hit enter. So there you have it, your very own WP login page URL. Okay, like this video. If you like it, check the other awesome content in the channel and leave a comment down below, anything that you need so that I can help you. Okay, see you next time. Peace.